Well, hello everybody. It's Doug Rucker with DougRuckerSchool.com, PressureCleaningschool.com, PressureWashingSchool.com. Pretty much any various places that you can find me at. We're on Facebook. Got a public Facebook group, Pressure Washing School, YouTube channel, Pressure Cleaning School, just various places. But what I really wanted to do was pop on today and go over the various training opportunities, whether it's here in Houston or our online school. I get a lot of questions about the various online schools. I've got two different ones. So I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit about what we have. This is the main website, PressureCleaningschool.com. And up here you've got an area menu board where you can click on the classes. This will give the in-person class schedule. This will tell you all about the online video school. We've got frequently asked questions, so you click on that. There's a lot of information on there about the pricing, the school dates, the differences in the schools that I offer, things of that nature. Grow your business. We've got a place here. I've got a little store where you can click on and buy some items that I buy from various places that we don't sell through our store, like on Amazon or whatever. We've got a business directory if you happen to sign up for the online school, or if you come here to Houston and you pass the test, either online or here in Houston, that we offer, then we can get you a listing here on the business directory. And we also have a community forum, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. But the main thing I wanted to show you is the online school first. If you're signed up or want to sign up, you would just click on here and it'll take you through the registration process through PayPal. Once you get signed up and registered and paid, anytime you want to come and watch the videos, you're going to come to the student login section and you'll log in using the username and password that you established. So make sure that you save that and remember it. And then it's going to take you to the dashboard here, where you can access all of the videos. We've got these segmented where you can watch all of the videos in order of how I post them. You can go to the different categories like roof cleaning, house washing. Just added some products, equipment reviews that I'm going to be putting more videos in, tips and tricks, concrete. Then you've got some commercial, another new one that I've just added. We're fixing to start adding some more videos about commercial cleaning, plant and property protection, and then we've also got sales and marketing, which is also a new one. I'm always adding stuff to make this a huge value to the folks that purchase this. The unique thing about this right now, as of today, which is May 9th, 2020, it's only $449. It's an excellent value because it's a lifetime membership. You never pay again. And one thing about me is once you sign up, I'm not going to keep emailing you like 5, 6, 7 times a week trying to get you to up to this level or that level or whatever. This is it. Once you sign up for this, you get access to all the videos that are on here. Like I said, right now, there's over about 215 or so. When you log in and click on this, you'll see it takes a second for your internet provider because there are a lot of videos to load all of this. But just be patient with it and it'll come. We'll give it a second here. There it comes. It starts off first and talks about the exams and any type of certification that you can get through me. First things first, environmental preparation. Just a lot of videos, but then it starts down here with the house washing basics. Once you do the house washing basics and all the house washing seminars, you can take a test. Same thing with roof cleaning, property protection, and then also driveway, pool deck, and all that. So there's tests that you can take after house washing, after roof cleaning, after plant property protection, and after concrete. Those tests are $28.95 each. They are optional. You don't have to take them if you don't want to. But when you take those and pass those, then you get a certificate printed out, which a lot of guys use for their website and marketing and things of that nature. And it's just a great thing to have. We can also get you stickers for your trucks if you would like, logo for your website, all of that kind of stuff. And then it just goes on with all kinds of different videos that you can watch. And it just keeps going and keeps going. And I'm continually adding more videos. In fact, I've got 2 more to add today. So that's how that works. Again, if you want, instead of watching all of those in order and you want to ramp up your learning, just go to the roof cleaning section. Click on that. You can take the roof cleaning videos. There's quite a few on here, but again, after these roof cleaning training videos 1, 2, 3, and 4, then you can go down here and take the roof cleaning test. It's $28.95. Pass it, and then you get your certificate printed out. So that's how the online video school that runs $449 and is a lifetime membership pretty much works. We've got other things that you can do here. We do have websites that we offer that we build for you if you want. It's a one-time fee of $1,100. There's no monthly fee. The unique thing about us is we direct you on how to get your domain name yourself so that you own it. We don't want to own it. We're simply going to build your website for you. We're going to provide the content writing for you. We can provide before and after pictures for you. And then once you get your before and after pictures, you can replace them. So it's really a turnkey operation. But the big thing is, because I've been burned before, is to make sure that you own the domain name. We want you to make sure that you own the theme, everything, so that you don't owe somebody money, or you're not committed to somebody and they can shut your website off or whatever if you don't do what they say or pay the monthly fee or whatever. So it's a one-time fee, about $1,100. It's a WordPress site. If you're interested in that, just click on the where'd it go? Right here, the contact, and then you can just let us know what you want to know. Now, the other thing that I have is called Cleaners University. Built this site several years ago after people were looking for something. Instead of paying the $450, they just wanted to come on and take a class. These classes are the same ones that you get for the $449, but you pay individually. And you only get to watch these and take the course. You have a 2-week time limit, and you cannot go back to these videos. It's just priced that way so that you can spend a little bit less money if you want, or budget yourself and take these courses as you want to. The big one over here, this is a lifetime membership, so you get access to all the videos that are on here now, as well as any that I post in the future. Again, that's a one-time fee. Cleaners University, you have to pay individually for the classes. You get a 2-week period to complete the course, which is plenty of time to complete those. But you cannot go back and watch these videos again. So just make sure you're making the right choice as far as the advantages that you get. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is I have a forum that you can go to and register and sign up. And I've got all kinds of information in here. A lot of this stuff is public, so anybody can sign up. Any type of, anybody that has paid to attend either the schools here in Houston, the difference maker schools that I do, the online school. We have school attendee conduct only for the people that have paid. And so you can get access to that there. But then this is open to the general public again, roof cleaning, house washing. And then I've got a section here where I talk about, it's called My Answers, and I'll see questions posted on Facebook or questions emailed to me or whatever that I think can help everybody. And so I'll go on there and post a question and the answer. This is also an app, so you can get this through the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Just search Doug Rucker School, and then you'll have all of this information on your phone when you need it as well. This is free to register for this. You don't have to pay to attend my school to get this. All of this information here is free. It's a great opportunity to go on here and blog, and great for your SEO. Post pictures, talk about different jobs, that type of thing. You can make you a gallery. There's just all kinds of great stuff on here that you can do. It will also help your SEO. And again, you've got this educational material that is available via your phone, so that if you're out in the field and need help and want to look something up, it might be here. Here's the biggest takeaway. If you purchase this online school or you attend my school here in Houston, either one of these two, you are considered to me a lifetime student. You're a member, and so you have access to me anytime you need me. In fact, there's a video right here in the all video sections that tells you how to get a hold of me, the different ways that you can get a hold of me. Voxer I use quite extensively, especially students that are out in the field on a job and need help. Turns your phone into a walkie-talkie, and so you can get a hold of me pretty quick. That's the fastest way to get a hold of me and get an answer. The other way is via text message, phone call, or email. So my preferred way, other than Voxer, is email. That way you have everything in writing and can refer back to it pretty easy. But if you go to this video here in the school, it will talk about how to get a hold of me, communicating with me. So anybody that's paid to attend my Houston schools or my online schools, you have direct access to me 24/7 anytime you need me. Just get a hold of me via Voxer, text. Anybody that is not a member and say they text me or email me and say they want to learn how to clean a roof, that's not something that I do or have the time to do via email or text or whatever. You really have to be a member of the school or have attended the school in order for me to help you with that type of process. It's not that I just don't want to help you. I would love to help you, but there's just too much information to try to teach you and train you via email. And so if you make an investment and take a look at these videos, take the test, things of that nature, then I know we're on kind of the same playing field, and the questions and everything, the learning curve and the amount of time we have to spend communicating is quite a bit less. But I have guys that text me, email me, Voxer me all the time, help on bidding jobs. How do I get this stain out? What would you use? I had a guy text me the other day about a Japanese myrtle tree, working around that. And so we kind of helped develop him a plan of attack for that. So those are the kind of things that I help my students out. So I hope this clears up a few questions. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com, or you can call or text me at 281-883-8470, and be glad to answer any of your questions about the trainings that I offer. But again, most of everything can be answered right here. Got a blog section with a lot of articles on there. Again, there's the schedule. Here's the frequently asked questions. Anything about growing your business as far as our store, our student business directory listings, community forums, student login things. This student business directory is brand new. Just started doing it probably about 6 or 7 months ago, and I've got quite a few people I've got to get listed on there. But let me know if I can help you. You'll have an awesome day.